In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 21 highest-paying remote jobs offering the best content available on the internet. This information has the potential to significantly transform your life within 3 months, as evidenced by numerous success stories featured on my channel. Some individuals secured these jobs in as little as 10 to 16 days, including a remarkable case of a 16-year-old using the methods outlined in this video. I've personally experienced the positive impact of transitioning from a traditional healthcare job with long hours during the pandemic to remote work. This change allowed me to break free from the monotonous cycle of eat, sleep, work, repeat, leading to a more fulfilling and balanced life. In this video, I aim to provide a variety of options for high-quality remote jobs supported by reliable data and my own experiences in assisting others in securing such opportunities. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now, let's delve into the specifics. Copywriting is the first option, highlighted by the story of Jed, who doubled his income by transitioning to copywriting. This skill involves selling or marketing products through written content, making it a valuable skill with the potential to earn around $51,000 to $80,000 per year. Despite its high value, the complexity of mastering copywriting earns it an 8 out of 10 money score, considering the time required for skill development. Next on the list is social media operations, a rapidly growing field with approximately 7,000 jobs posting on LinkedIn and an average annual income of $57,000. While this option offers significant potential, it may require more time to establish oneself, warranting a 9 out of 10 money score. Web development is another lucrative option, involving codes for websites, with an average income of $82,000 per year. Although the skill entry level has increased over time, with a rating of 9 out of 10, it remains a viable choice for those willing to invest around 3 months in learning. Tech sales emerge as a highly recommendable and recession-proof option, demonstrated by Kevin's success story. With a potential income of almost $90,000 per year, tech sales offers an expedited path to financial success, earning it a 9 out of 10 money score. Digital marketing. If I were 18 and looking to enter the job market, this is the path I would personally choose. Let me share you the story of James, a 16-year-old from Australia who faced the decision of whether to pursue college or trade school. He discovered digital marketing, a skill that aligned with his personality and demonstrated high demand. Despite lacking prior work experience, James followed the recommendations outlined in my channel. He identified an in-demand skill, learned its core fundamentals, created a clear portfolio showcasing his expertise, and applied to the right companies. Impressively, he secured a job at 16, earning over $40,000 annually while working part-time. For those interested in digital marketing, LinkedIn boasts over 160,000 results for relevant job postings. On Glassdoor, the entry-level salary is around $60,000 per year. This option, while potentially yielding slightly less income than tech sales, offers the prospect of reaching the 6-figure mark within 3 to 4 years. It deserves a perfect 10 out of 10 score. Now, let's combine 2 essential IT-related fields: IT help desk and IT security or cybersecurity. This combination aims to provide a comprehensive set of excellent options in the technology industry, particularly for those looking to enter without a sales focus. Breaking into the technology industry is advantageous due to its abundant opportunities, superior benefits, and excellent work-life balance. Importantly, many entry-level IT careers don't require a college degree. Certifications or even experience alone can suffice. Exploring roles like IT Security Specialist on LinkedIn yields 8,000 results with an average of annual salary of $83,000 at the entry level. The abundance of opportunities and accessibility without a degree contribute to a perfect 10 out of 10 career score. Let's explore 2 non-technology related work-from-home options: travel agent and graphic design. Travel agent is a field where entry is possible without a college degree and success stories exist. This role involves assisting individuals with travel plans, such as booking flights, hotels, and recommending attractions. However, breaking into this field may take longer than 3 months, earning it a 3 out of 10 career score. On the other hand, graphic design can be lucrative if you specialize in specific niches, such as YouTube thumbnail design. The key is to tailor your portfolio to the target audience, showcasing skills relevant to their needs. However, mastering the art and marketing aspects of graphic design may take time, earning it a 3 out of 10 money and career score. Moving on, video editing emerges as a promising field, especially within the growing creator economy. Niche specialization, such as focusing on YouTube content, can significantly enhance your value. Despite video editing being a saturated field, if you follow the right strategies and specialize, it has the potential to be an excellent career option. Overall, video editing earns a 6 out of 10 with the potential for a 9 or 10 out of 10 with niche specialization. Now, let's consider insurance agent. While this job may not be the most fulfilling, it offers relatively easy entry. Insurance agents engage with potential clients attempting to sell insurance policies. This job is given a 4 out of 10. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Moving into the realm of technology, data analyst is highlighted as a favorite career. The increasing importance of data in various industries make data analytics a valuable skill. With 363,000 results on LinkedIn and an average annual salary of $71,000 at the entry level, this field shows promise. While not as easy to break into as some other options, resources like the Google Professional, with a focus on working for social media companies, particularly in roles related to YouTube channels. While not an entry-level position, specialization in a niche and targeted portfolio creation can facilitate entry. With 142,000 results on Glassdoor, this field scores a 6 out of 10 due to its non-entry-level nature. Claims adjuster, 4 out of 10. Working in the insurance industry, claims adjusters assess and process insurance claims. While it's relatively easy to enter, the job can be challenging due to the pressure to minimize payouts. The average salary is around $54,000, earning it a score of 4 out of 10. Instructional design, 9 out of 10. Instructional designers create interactive educational content, particularly in video format. This field saw significant growth during the pandemic, offering flexibility as a part-time job, freelance work, or a full-time career. With about 17,000 LinkedIn results and an entry-level salary of $78,000, it scores a high 9 out of 10. SEO Specialist, 8 out of 10. SEO specialists focus on optimizing websites to rank higher on search engines. Given the crucial role of SEO in online visibility, there are numerous opportunities. The average entry-level salary is $59,000, earning it an 8 out of 10. Executive Assistant, 5 out of 10. Executive assistants provide support to high-level executives, handling tasks like scheduling and communication. While it offers networking opportunities, the job is high-stress with limited vertical growth. It scores a 5 out of 10. Virtual recruiters, 5 out of 10. Virtual recruiters work remotely to find suitable candidates for job positions. With over 243,000 LinkedIn results and an average salary of $69,000, it has potential for higher earnings based on performance. However, it's considered a bit harder to get into and requires experience in a specific industry. It receives a score 5 out of 10. Link Building Specialist, 7 out of 10. A link building specialist focuses on obtaining backlinks for websites crucial for SEO. It requires negotiation skills and industry expertise. With an average salary of $77,000 and opportunities for specialization, it gets a score of 7 out of 10. Online Tutor, 6 out of 10. Online tutoring, especially when niched down, can be a lucrative side hustle. However, it requires expertise in a specific subject. With 267,000 LinkedIn results and an average salary of $44,000, it receives a score of 6 out of 10. Quality Assurance Analyst, 9 out of 10. Quality assurance analysts ensure software products or websites are free from bugs before release. With 41,000 LinkedIn results and an average salary of $67,000, it's considered a high-demand remote job, earning it a score of 9 out of 10. Software Developer, 10 out of 10. Software development is a highly in-demand career with various entry paths. It's one of the best-paying jobs with 280,000 LinkedIn results and an average salary of $95,000. Despite being a bit more competitive, it still scores a perfect 10 out of 10. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!